Good morning, PV. We are so excited this summer to have our family discipleship class here in the gym before our children's Bible classes start back in the fall. Kind of what it'll look like is the family will come in together, you'll sit at a table together, and we'll all be in here with different engaging, hands-on, kind of tactile activities for the younger ones that have like a purpose and an intention behind it, and deeper questions and kind of like thought-provoking ideas for the teens and tweens to work through with their parents. And all of it will be centered around these topics of discipleship. This will just be an introduction, just to scratch the surface on some of these concepts that we hope we can build on over time too. And so there will be different snacks and kind of like breakfast food type things here. It will be a relaxed environment, but also a very intentional time where children all the way up through adults will know hopefully what we're talking about and be able to take that home and practice that as well. We are so excited to partner with you guys in this. We really think it could help us as we move forward into our vision. And so please RSVP if you get the chance to do that so we can be preparing for you and praying for you before this starts. And we really hope you join us with this summer. Thanks.